Okay, so y1 1 equals this one. Now f of x0 comma y0, putting the value x0 0, y0 equals to 1 plus f of x1 comma y1 0. x1 is x0 plus h, that means 0 plus 0 plus 0.01, that is ultimately 0.01, comma y1 0. y1 0 is taking the value 1.01, that one. Okay, now 1 plus 0.01 by 2 into f of 0 comma 1. F function is x square plus y, that means 0 square plus 1 plus that one 0.01 its square plus 1.01, that one. Okay, now calculate it and the value will become the value of y11 will take the value 1.01005, that one. Okay, now next taking n equals to 2, keeping r equals to 1 fixed, n equals to 2, so it will become y1 2. So by putting all the values, y0 plus h by 2 f of x0 comma y0 plus f of x1 comma y1 whole to the power 1. Now putting all the values, y0 equals 1 plus 0.01 by 2 into 0 square plus 1 plus 0.01 its whole square plus that y1 1 value, that is 1 plus 0.1005. Now compute this value, you will get the result 1.01005. So we will get the same value for y1 1 and y1 2. This takes these two values. Now we need to find out the value of y at the point x equals to 0.02. So we are starting with n equals to 2. So n equals to 1 and r equals to 2. So before that, for that reason, we need y to 0 at first. Otherwise, we can proceed. So for getting y to 0, the initial approximation, we have to apply the previous normal Euler's method. So y to 0, taking the value y1 plus h f of x1 comma y1. That is, y1 is 1.01005, that value, plus h is 0.01 into the functional value, that is 0.01 its square plus 1.01005. So it will become 1.02015. We got the initial approximation. Now we will take n equals to 1 and r equals to 2 to get the results by applying modified Euler's method. So if you take n equals to 1 and r equals to 2, then the first formula will become y21, which is equals y1 plus h2 f of x1 comma y1 plus f of x2 comma y20. Putting all the values, so y1 was 1.01005 plus 0.01 by 2 into the functional values, that is at first 0.01 its whole square plus x square plus y, that is 1.01005 plus again x2 square, that is 0.02 its whole square plus x2 means x1 plus h, so you can easily get the value of x2 plus y20, that is 1.02015. That one. After calculating, we get the value as 1.0204. That one. Okay, this is the value of y21. Now moving to get the value of y22. it will take the value y. Okay, I'm just putting all the values like one by one. So it will become at first 1.01005 plus 0.01 by 2 into 0.01 its whole square plus 1.01005 plus 0.0004 plus 1.020204. This one equals 1.0202037. This is actually the value of y2. Now what does it mean by y2? y2 means y of x2, right? y2 is y of x2. Now what is the value of x2? x2 means x0 plus 2h. x0 was 0 initially, plus 2 into h, that is 0.01. So this will actually become 0.02, which we were actually finding. So y of 0.02 is actually the value of y2, which we just found out. So the value is equals to 1.020237. You can approximate it. There is nothing mentioned up to which decimal we need to take. So I am taking it 1.020204. This is the required value of y of 0.02. Okay. This is how we apply Euler's modified method.